Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Landrocker token. Now the Landrocker token is in the midst of their pre-sale right now, their ICO. It's going to go on all the way until March 27th, 2024. Ticker symbol for this token is LRT. We're going to go over the information on the Landrocker token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Landrocker is a play-to-earn game about discovery and space exploration. Discover crypto NFTs and crafting materials in a multi-universe environment featuring AI-generated planets. It is the only platform using blockchain technology for secure and untraceable rewards. LRT is a late-stage project with a rich history of 170,000 plus mining missions and 60,000 plus players. Join us in transforming blockchain gaming and giving players complete trust and transparency for the first time. Now, this is going to be a big pre-sale, so their ICO is going on right now all the way until March 27th, 2024, with a hard cap of $2.81 million. I believe they're in stage 2 out of 4 right now, but I will double check that here. So their official webpage, if you go over to landrocker.io, there's a pop-up and it says token sale is live. Right now, if you buy $100 worth of LRT, you get a free ticket to the Bitcoin Hunt campaign. One lucky winner will score a whole Bitcoin. So they have this event going on right now. And I believe, let's scroll down here. On their webpage, I think it talks about what stage they're in. And there it is right there. So they're in stage 2 right now. So the price is going to increase in every stage. And then even the Bitcoin Hunt ticket, next stage is going to be $125. And then stage 4, round 4 of the pre-sale is going to be $150 per ticket. So that's you're not paying for the ticket. You're buying tokens, but you just have to buy that certain amount of token in order to get a Bitcoin Hunt ticket. And the price also increases of the tokens as the round goes on. There's different token allocations for each round. It's real easy to get this pre-sale though if you're interested in this token. Now, right on their webpage, you can't miss it. It says buy LRT right as you open up the webpage. And if you get stuck, there's a how to buy guide in multiple places. You just click on how to buy. But you can get this token with either USDT on the ERC20 blockchain, or you can get it with USDC, Polygon Matic, DAI, the stablecoin, or a card, like a Visa or MasterCard. It shows the price of the token right now and what it's going to be in listing price and how you would get a discount. And then it shows like the amount you pay, say you're going to pay in Matic. It'll show you for how many Matic tokens, how many LRT you will receive back for that. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. They even have a cinematic teaser trailer to look at what the game looks like on their webpage. But I believe the beta version right now is available right at the top right-hand corner of the game of the webpage. You can click Play Game. You can log in or sign up. Just check it all out on landrocker.io. They also have a full white paper. So this is a unique play-to-earn game about discovery and space exploration. As a player, you embark on a thrilling journey through intergalactic space to launch exhilarating mining missions to uncover rare and valuable resources such as NFTs, crypto tokens, and crafting materials. With your earnings, you can craft your own NFTs and trade them on the marketplace. Landrocker redefines the play-to-earn landscape by addressing two critical issues: inflation and trust. Our groundbreaking solution harmonizes play-to-earn with play-to-win, ensuring a balanced gaming economy and stable player revenue. With the added layer of blockchain technology, we guarantee transparent and hidden rewards, providing equal chances for every player. Landrocker is the only play-to-earn platform that utilizes blockchain technology at the core of its reward distribution and validation system. Rewards are hidden using smart contracts, making their location unpredictable even to the platform's developers. This provides complete trust and transparency and ensures that there is no room for speculation as to the fairness of reward distribution. Each planet offers enticing rewards with varying fuel costs for entry. These rewards are hidden through different blockchains, ensuring integrity and unpredictability. Landrocker showcases its capability to validate rewards across the blockchain, demonstrating the technology's versatility. So on their webpage here, it says, why would you buy LRT? It's a no-brainer decision. The economic stability, combining play-to-earn with play-to-win, overcoming revenue decline, combating inflation and revenue decline, ensuring secure and prosperous gaming experiences, transparent games, and trusted blockchain rewards. So they've been seen in the media on Forbes, CoinMarketCap, CoinCodex, MSN, Bitcoinist, Blockchain Reporter, etc. Tons of different media articles. They have quotes from different news outlets on their webpage that you could read as well. So far, the global stats since the beta launch for this game in last December, people have earned 200,790 fuel. They've earned over 6.9 million LRT tokens, crafted over 1,700 NFTs. They've mined 34.6 million blocks and finished over 188,000 missions. So they have company partners on here. There's way too many to even name, a lot of gaming partners. So they have the treasure hunt, the play to win, the resource hunt, which is the play to earn, the light game, the pro game, AI generated planets, Martian domination, last man standing, and finders keepers. So how would you earn with the LRT token? You can earn the token by power mining missions with fuel, collecting valuable NFTs, crypto materials, and blueprints, craft and selling of NFTs to earn more. Mint valuable NFTs, use NFTs to increase earnings, sell NFTs on the marketplace, staked owned planets for profit sharing, gain extra fuel to upgrade rovers, stake in the liquidity pool. So there's a 10 billion token total supply. 35% goes to game incentives like play to earn and staking. 14% of the tokens go to advisors and development. 12% pre-sale. 11% liquidity, 10% team, 10% marketing, 5% seed round, 3% reserve. And yeah, then they have a real lengthy roadmap. Their team is doxed on the page. They have a Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, Discord you could join. They have frequently asked questions and tons of links at the very bottom of their webpage, landrocker.io, like white paper, one-pager, avatar maker, roadmap, frequently asked questions, news, etc. It goes on and on. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Landrocker? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there and check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.